Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about rate of change. So now I want to show you how to answer. The formula of the sphere, that is about 4 over 3 b r to the power of 3. Now if I do first derivative for the both sides, this one we have number 1 and we have dv over dt. First derivative of r to the power of 3, we have 3r squared dr over dt. Now we need to simplify number 3 and number 3 we cancel, and we have r squared in here. So on the question they want to find rate of change of radius. So that's it about the r over dt. So that means we divide both sides by 4br squared in here. So on the question they have two situation r equal to number 2, r equals to number 10. So we have dv over dt, that is about this one. So we just put the number in here. For the first one, that's about number 2. And for the second one, that is about number 10. So we have 0.099 centimeters per second. And the second one, that is about 0.00398 centimeter per second. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.